Hi, we're Brianne and Ben, with our two dogs, Bella and Bucky. On our last episode, you watched as we hiked to St. Mary's Glacier to exchange vows and get married in an intimate ceremony with just the two of us. It was an experience beyond our wildest dreams and a decision that we will forever be grateful that we made. On day 6, we woke up early with plans to go to Keystone Resort. However, the van had other plans and we learned a valuable lesson that day. Due to several nights of below freezing temperatures and us not having an engine or battery warmer, that morning the van wouldn't start, leaving us stranded on the mountain. Due to the size of our van, we struggled to get a tow truck to take us off the mountain that day. All we have to say is thank you so much to the amazing neighbors around who helped us get started and off the mountain. Once we were off the mountain, we drove to the nearest auto center to make sure everything was okay with the van, and sure enough, it was. As we pulled into the Whole Foods parking lot to sleep that night near Silverthorn, Colorado, we were reminded of the fact that we have no heater and were about to endure another night of below freezing temperatures. We bundled up the dogs in their jackets and heating blanket, and off to bed we went. The next morning, we woke up to the rude reality of a frozen van. However, thankfully, the van started right up with no problems. As cold as we were, we made ourselves coffee and decided to take the dogs for a walk. Later that afternoon, we drove an hour to the old mining district of Leadville. Although there are no longer any active mines, in the late 1850s, more than 2,800 patented mine claims were filed. The Leadville district produced approximately 28.9 million tons of ore, including gold, silver, lead, zinc, and copper. And we were about to snowmobile through all of them. That evening, we ate dinner over some locally brewed beers and made the decision to get a hotel room for the night, since temperatures were supposed to be in the negatives again. Tune in next episode as we finally work our way south, out of the snow and cold and into warmer temperatures. Thanks for watching.